One of the most common questions traders face is how to filter our trading system to achieve a higher win rate and consistent results. In this video, I will cover this topic completely. Hello, I am Tradiology and I hope you are doing great. I can confidently say that half of your trading problems will be solved in this video, so I would truly appreciate it if you subscribe to my channel and like this video to support the effort behind creating this content. Now let's get into the lesson. The main problem most traders face at the beginning of their journey is that they build a strategy for trading in price channels, deciding to enter whenever a pullback occurs and a signal candle appears. But here comes a very big issue. At certain points on the chart, corrections happen that look similar, and traders start asking themselves, should I take this entry or not? Is this really part of my strategy or not? An even bigger problem is when they backtest their strategy and see profits, but in live trading the results change completely. So where does the problem come from? One of the biggest issues is cognitive bias. What does that mean? It means you force yourself to see your strategy everywhere and enter trades even when it doesn't really fit. For example, your strategy may be to enter on channel pullbacks, but you convince yourself that this different setup is also valid and enter anyway. I often see traders on the 5-minute time frame taking 7 to 10 trades a day, and I ask them, are you sure you are trading your actual strategy or just entering wherever you feel like it? None of these traders achieve consistent profitability. If you are trading the 5-minute time frame with a proper strategy, it is possible that you won't get any trades for several days or even a week. Does that feel unusual to you? If yes, then listen carefully. I have seen countless traders who made good profits for 1 or 2 weeks but then quickly fell into heavy losses and frustration. Do you know why? The main reason is that on days when their strategy did not give them a trade, they forced entries and made mistakes, completely ruining their performance. Pay attention, if you don't trade, you only delay performance and nothing is harmed, but if you take wrong trades, you destroy your system and eventually blow your account. So what is the real solution? You must apply strict filters to your strategy and have full faith in it. Even if you don't trade for 5 days, you should not feel the urge to force trades, but when your strategy says, buy, you must act immediately without hesitation. Now how do we apply these filters and how do they work? My friends, trading filters can include eliminating repetitive bad behaviors that you are ignoring but which strongly affect your technicals, risk management, and psychology. For example, let's say you are a trend trader, but you start trading inside ranges by mistaking MTR breakouts during spikes for trends. This is a technical mistake because you are actually trading inside a range while thinking you are in a trend, and you are applying your strategy in the wrong context. If you are a trend trader, you must wait for the range to break and then trade with the trend. Anything else will never give you consistent results. Now imagine a trader in live markets seeing price stuck in a range for 4 days. They cannot handle the patience, so they start trading inside the range and lose money. The problem is not the market being in a range, but their inability to wait for the correct phase of their strategy. The challenge that filters bring for beginners is that they limit overtrading, which beginners dislike because they think more trades equal more profit. But why do they think this way? Just review your own results. After a month, do you have reasonable profits? Are you break-even or in heavy losses? Be honest with yourself and analyze realistically. Decide whether you truly want to trade correctly or not. Another crucial point is that you can also apply these filters to risk management and psychology. For instance, if you hit 2 consecutive stop losses in a day, stop trading. This will calm your mind and help you make rational, emotion-free decisions. Another important filter in risk management is to trade with very low risk at first and see if you are truly profitable over several months. Please, until you achieve consistent profitability for several months, do not increase your risk size. Customize your filters for your own personality and follow what you learned in this video correctly. I am confident that after some time, you will realize how many flaws you had in your trading. If you want to have a reliable strategy and trade comfortably with it, I strongly recommend watching this video carefully and gradually applying filters to personalize your system.